So Project Zulu is actually many things now, bringing the undergraduate teacher trainers from UWE and letting them teach in South African schools. There's film crews come out here, we also have engineers coming out in the past, we've had rugby players. The latest is business studies students coming out and working with children.
I'm here part of the technology for Project Zulu.
We walked in on Monday, there were no computers in the room at all.
We've come over, we've brought some new laptops, which they have funded as well, so there can be an IT department.
Our idea is to install a water filter system that can actually clean any dirt residue that's left in the water.
The engineering we're doing here, it's very interesting because it's proper hands-on. You can't just buy something off the shelf that already fits, but that makes it more rewarding, I think, when you actually get it together.
I study history at UWE, going into my third year, and I'm at Pendagani just teaching history. It's like the first time I've done any real teaching, so it's a really good experience.
We're here looking at reading. We're a pilot study, so this has never been done before in South Africa.
It's been really nice to try and think of ingenious ways of planning lessons without having lots of resources.
The smiles on their faces, and when they start to talk to you and when they learn something, it's amazing to see.
We understood their teaching processes and how we were going to be able to adapt. I was having to go out my comfort zone. I would have kicked myself if I didn't take up this opportunity.
I think they are doing some amazing things already here. It's been great to see.
So it's nice because it's kind of naturally growing and it's coming from South Africa. They are requesting, this has worked really well, please can we have this? And that's always been the intention of Project Zulu.
The teachers are really on board and really keen to kind of observe us and see how they can take it forward.
This week has been really intense and I've learned a lot.
I've really enjoyed staying with a host family that lives here. I've got 4 new brothers.
You're here you're getting experience, at the same time you're enjoying having fun and giving something back to the people.
For me it's really important to be able to come here and do this.
This is not just any small job, this is a big thing making a difference in 675 people's lives.
This has been an incredible week for me. I've absolutely loved it.
I've now graduated from uni, but this opportunity came up and I didn't want to miss out, really.
If anyone was ever given the opportunity to do this, I would completely recommend that they do it.